Welcome back, viewers! This beginner fat-burning exercise will melt the fat off your body. We all have a different reason for working out. Some are aiming to accomplish performance goals, while others want to build more muscles for aesthetics. However, deep down, everyone exercises to live a healthier life. When shedding body fats, it's more than just looking good. Too much fat in the body, especially in your belly, puts you at a higher risk of developing dangerous health conditions than others. For beginners out there, you don't have to worry because plenty of exercises are designed just for your fitness level. One of those is mountain climber exercise. In this video, we will cover more about this fat-burning move, including how to perform it correctly, some common newbie mistakes to look out for, and more importantly, how it reduces body fat. So don't go just yet and keep watching. What is mountain climber exercise? Otherwise known as running planks, the mountain climber is an explosive bodyweight exercise that's perfect for newbies. While only a few would dare to climb a mountain, many of us, if not all, are perfectly capable of climbing the floor. This is exactly the concept of mountain climbers. Done in a plank position, the main idea here is alternating your knees and bringing them towards your chest, as if you're running against the floor. It sounds simple, right? But you should also know that this move engages your whole body and raises your heart rate like crazy. But the best part is that you can easily include them in your morning workouts, whether at home, the gym, the break room, or somewhere in a hotel room. Before we continue, a like would be great. Targeted muscles. It's a full-body basic move, but it especially targets your arms, shoulders, quads, and core. Oh, and did you know that mountain climbers can help you burn over 750 calories per hour? Quite a number, eh? This just proves how much this exercise scorches body fat. And we will talk more about that in a little while, so make sure to sit tight. For now, let's go over how to properly execute a mountain climber, since without the proper form, you won't be able to get the most out of this exercise. How to perform a mountain climber correctly. A proper form is required when performing mountain climbers. This way you can avoid injuries and you can maximize their benefits. Number 1. Start with your hands on the floor in a plank position. Make sure to evenly spread your weight between your hands and toes. Number 2. The right form should be this: hands about shoulder width apart, abs engaged, back flat, and head in alignment. Number 3. From there, pull your right knee into your chest as far as you can. Number 4, then switch legs, pulling one knee out and bringing the other knee in. Number 5, make sure that your hips are down, then run your knees in and out as far and as fast as you can. Number 6, alternate inhaling and exhaling with each leg change. Sometimes you can be too focused on the move that you'd find yourself holding your breath. Don't forget to breathe. Also, some common errors can happen when performing mountain climbers, especially for newbies like you. It's important to correct these mistakes as they can make the exercise less effective or unsafe. For instance, bouncing on your toes is the wrong technique. But why is this bad exactly? We will touch more on that in a little while. How mountain climber melts fat off your body. Stubborn body fat. Many of us are struggling with excess fats in various areas of our bodies. But perhaps the most infamous type of fat is the one in the abdominal area. Also known as visceral fat, this kind is extremely dangerous to health. What's more, it's notoriously hard to use, and this is where mountain climbers come in. The mountain climber is a remarkable calorie-burning exercise that really gets your heart rate going. It works up more than just a serious sweat, since it's a mix of cardio and muscle training. Above all, mountain climbers promote the fat loss necessary to reveal those six-pack abs you've been wanting to build without aggravating back pain. With mountain climbers, you're guaranteed to burn a significant amount of calories and body fat over time. In fact, you can even burn over 750 calories in just an hour with mountain climbers. With your fitness level, clearly you're not performing an hour of mountain climbers. However, every 10 minutes you train can help burn 125 calories. For beginners, you can start with 100 mountain climbers a day and build up so you can perform a solid 10 minutes worth. Later on, when you get stronger and have built more endurance, you can pick up your speed and complete a higher number of mountain climbers in those 10 minutes. Other benefits of mountain climbers. Number 1. Improved upper strength. Mountain climbers work to strengthen multiple muscle groups in your upper body. These include the muscles in your arms, shoulders, chest, and back as you carry your body weight for a long period. Number 2, increased mobility. This exercise increases flexibility because it requires your body to perform instant, smooth, and flexible movements. The movement involves flexion of the knees and hips, resulting in better mobility. At first, it may be hard, but once your hips loosen up, you can perform the mountain climber very smoothly. Plus, as your flexibility increases, your chances of injuries also decrease, if not entirely eliminated. Number 3, incredibly efficient. As a compound exercise, the mountain climber works several muscle groups and joints at the same time. Put simply, they deliver a serious bang for your buck, as they target your core muscles, glutes, leg muscles, and even your shoulders. By toning other parts of your body, you can also shed some fats from those body parts. Number 4, better cardiovascular health. One of the best things about the mountain climber is that it gets your heart rate very high, mainly thanks to the switching leg part of the exercise. When performing this exercise, make sure to do it at a pace that matches your fitness level. Don't rush and try to speed it up just so you can feel the benefits quicker. Once your body gets used to it and there have been changes in your cardiovascular health, you can speed it up for the next fitness level. The faster you can perform mountain climbers, the harder you will breathe, and the better it will be for your heart health. Number 5, increased core strength. Lastly, mountain climbers are effective at boosting your core strength. This is all thanks to the holding position of the planks combined with the faster motion of the legs, thus engaging your abdominal and lower muscles effectively. Common mistakes when doing mountain climbers. Number 1, bouncing on your toes. A common newbie mistake with mountain climbers is to try to bounce on the toes while performing the exercise. The bouncing might make it feel like you're doing yourself a favor by making it a bit of an advanced workout, but doing so actually requires less engagement from your core muscles. Number 2, not letting your toes touch the floor. Sometimes when the movement speeds up, it can lead to a failure to fully complete the movement by not allowing your toes to touch the floor as you bring your knees towards your chest. The problem is that not letting your toes touch the floor means you won't get the full benefit of the mountain climber, and you might risk injuring yourself. Number 3, shifting your weight back. Since you're a newbie, you aren't used to this exercise, and so you're likely going to let your weight shift back so your body is doing a down dog kind of position. What you should do instead is to keep your weight balanced and your shoulders over your wrists. Mountain climbers and HIIT. You can perform mountain climbers repeatedly to burn fat. After performing it for 10 minutes straight, your shoulders are likely fatigued past the point of being able to support your body. This is why you should consider using mountain climbers for high-intensity interval training. Plus, HIIT is very effective in reducing abdominal and subcutaneous fat. For instance, you can perform mountain climbers for 1 to 2 minutes, then have a 1-minute rest. Repeat the cycle for the duration of your workout, which should last around 20 minutes. So, have you tried mountain climbers before? How did it go? If not, then what do you think of this exercise? Drop your answers below. For questions about this video, feel free to leave comments as well, and we will try to get back to you as soon as we can. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.